Welcome to my YouTube channel Skills Window. I am Muhammad Sajid Ansari, English trainer. In this video, I am going to do an experiment. I don't know I can do it or not. Let's see. Welcome back. Now I am going to say one passage which was said by great Indian actor Amir Khan in Three Idiots movie. Before that, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and do support to me. Instruments that record, analyze, summarize, organize, debate and explain information that are illustrated, non-illustrated, headbound, paperback, jacketed, non-jacketed, with forward, introduction, table of contents, index that are intended for the enlightenment, understanding, enrichment, enhancement and education of the human brain through the sensory route of vision, sometimes touch.